the job done. These are just gonna be my burner wheels. Let's get it, let's sand these down. I got sandpaper and Scotch-Brite, so let's get it. All right, so we have all these wheels right here. So now I just gotta sand them all down, and then after I get them all sanded, I'll get the Scotch-Brite, scotch them down, and then degrease them, and then we can lay paint down. What I'm using today is Prep-All. It's basically just a degreaser. Spray it all on it. I got the paint right here. We got the wheels right here, all prepped. So let's get the spray in them and we'll see how they look. I just finished painting the wheels. We got everything done right here. Not gonna lie, they came out all right. Not too bad. These wheels still had a lot of paint on them, and I still sprayed over a lot of it, but it doesn't matter. They look decent. Alright, I got one of the wheels right here, but if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Comment down if you made it this far, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.